Welcome to my detailed review of FreeTaxUSA, an online tax preparation service that promises to make filing your taxes simple and affordable. In this video, I'll provide an in-depth look at the platform, including its features, pricing, and overall user experience. FreeTaxUSA is often recognized for its affordability, offering free federal tax filing for most users, while charging a low fee for state tax returns. Whether you're filing a simple return or need to account for more complex situations, like self-employment income or rental properties, FreeTaxUSA claims to have you covered. I start by exploring the website's homepage, which immediately highlights its key selling points: free federal tax filing, secure data encryption, and accuracy guarantees. The design is straightforward and user-friendly, aimed at guiding users quickly to their tax filing goals. Signing up for FreeTaxUSA is a quick process. You only need an email address and to create a password, making it accessible for both tech-savvy users and those less familiar with online services. Once logged in, the platform provides a guided step-by-step process for entering your tax information. The interface is intuitive, with clear instructions at every step. For individuals with simple tax situations, such as those with only a W-2 form, the process is incredibly streamlined. If you're self-employed, own a business, or have rental income, FreeTaxUSA offers additional options to ensure your tax filing is accurate and comprehensive. As I demonstrate how to input information into the platform, you'll notice helpful pop-up tips and detailed explanations for each section, which can be especially beneficial for first-time users. FreeTaxUSA also provides access to tax-related documents from previous years, allowing users to carry over data and save time. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources, such as financial tools and guides, so be sure to check that out after watching. When it comes to pricing, FreeTaxUSA stands out by offering competitive rates. Federal filing is free for most users, and state filing costs a modest fee compared to other tax software providers. Additionally, the website offers an upgraded deluxe edition for users who want features like priority customer support or audit assistance. I'll walk you through these options so you can decide if they're worth the extra cost for your needs. Security is a major concern for anyone filing taxes online, and FreeTaxUSA ensures your data is protected with advanced encryption technologies. The platform is IRS approved, and its e-filing process guarantees your return is submitted securely and on time. Finally, I explore the customer support features. FreeTaxUSA offers live chat, a comprehensive FAQ section, and email support. While the support is not as extensive as some premium tax platforms, it's sufficient for most users who encounter straightforward issues. Overall, FreeTaxUSA is an excellent choice for individuals and families looking for an affordable, easy-to-use tax filing solution. While it may not have all the bells and whistles of its more expensive competitors, it gets the job done efficiently and securely. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Your support helps us create more reviews and guides to make your financial life easier. Thanks for watching.